Alright, what is up guys? I hope y'all are doing well and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm bringing you a simple tutorial for a balloon pop game. Now this is a great project to start with if you're new to Scratch and want to create your first game. So getting right into it, the first thing you're going to do is delete Sprite 1 because I don't think we really need Scratch Cat in our game this time. And then go over here to choose a sprite. And then we're going to select our balloon sprite right here. And now that we have our balloon sprite, we can start coding. But before we do that, we are going to build this game on one key Scratch concept. And that is the concept of cloning, which allows you to create a copy of your sprite that can do whatever you want. So now that we know what cloning is, we can start creating our project. So drag in a when green flag clicked block, and then zoom in a little bit, sorry. When green flag clicked, we're going to hide. So this is going to make our balloon hide and go away, and then drag in a forever loop, and then a create clone of myself block, and then we are going to wait, I don't know, let's say 3 seconds. So after we wait 3 seconds, we're going to do when I start as a clone, we're going to go to a random position and then show up. And then now we can detect if you have clicked on the balloon and it has been popped. So we're going to drag on a wait until control block, and then we're going to get an and operator block. So we can say wait until touching mouse pointer and mouse down. And then after that happens, we can start our pop sound, and then where is control, and then delete this clone. And then that is pretty much all you need. If you want to get fancy, you can add a scoring system, but for now, let's just see how this runs. So as you can see, our balloons will start appearing on the stage, and you can click on them to make them go away. And yeah, this is pretty much the main object of the game, is to just pop balloons. Now we're going to add one more thing. We're going to add a variable to keep track of your score, so you can know how many balloons you popped. Now I know variables can be a little bit intimidating at first, but I promise that we will keep it simple and straightforward. So we're going to go over here and click on make a variable, and then our new variable name will be score. Hit OK, and you now have made your first variable, and you can see it pops up right there on the stage. And then once our game starts, we're going to set score to 0. And now that we have that, once we've detected that our balloon is popped, we're going to change the score by 1. And what this will do is this will keep track of how many balloons have been popped. And this is really cool. And our game is now complete, and we can play it and see how many balloons you can pop. Just a little demonstration. When you pop your balloon, you'll see this variable called score keeps track of how many balloons you have popped. Alright, how cool is that? Well, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this one and learned a lot, and I hope you have fun making your own balloon pop games and maybe even adding special effects. I can't wait to see what y'all create. Bye guys.